Revolvers have been around for centuries, but they've come a long way from their simple beginnings. Today's tactical revolvers are advanced modern versions of the classic wheel gun, offering a unique blend of reliability, power, and functionality. Tactical revolvers are unique in that they offer a reliability unmatched by their semi-automatic counterparts. With no complex mechanisms to jam or malfunction, revolvers are a dependable choice for self-defense, especially in high-stress situations. With so many options, figuring out where to start can take time. Do you go with a classic Smith & Wesson, a modern Ruger, a high-tech Taurus? That's why we've compiled a list of the top 6 tactical revolvers for first-time buyers. Does this sound like something you're interested in? Then subscribe to this channel for plenty more updates just like this. Now, let's reveal some mind-blowing revolvers to you right now. The Ruger GP100, a classic double-action revolver that's been a favorite among shooters for decades, rounds out our list at number 1. The GP100 is built to last with a solid stainless steel construction and heavy-duty design. It's available in a range of calibers, including .357 Magnum and .38 Special, making it a versatile and reliable choice for self-defense. With a comfortable grip, smooth double-action trigger, and adjustable sights, the GP100 offers the performance and accuracy you need to defend yourself and your loved ones. The GP100 is built like a tank with a triple locking cylinder that ensures a secure lockup and consistent accuracy even after thousands of rounds. It's also built with a heavy-duty frame and barrel, which helps to absorb recoil and reduce wear on the gun over time. And with its easy-to-use and intuitive design, the GP100 is a great choice for beginners and experienced shooters alike. The Ruger GP100 offers excellent value for money, starting at around $700 for the basic model and reaching upwards of $1,000 for the high-end models. Next up on our list is the Colt King Cobra, a modernized version of the classic Colt Python designed for modern self-defense. The King Cobra is a double-action revolver chambered in a .357 Magnum, making it a versatile and powerful option for self-defense. But what sets the King Cobra apart is its modern features such as the enhanced ergonomic grip, fiber optic front sight, and oversized cylinder release, which make it easier and more comfortable to use in high-stress situations. The Colt King Cobra is a sleek, modern revolver packed with features designed for self-defense. One of the key advantages of the King Cobra is its lightweight aluminum alloy frame, which makes it easy to carry and maneuver while still providing the durability and reliability you expect from a Colt revolver. With a 6-round cylinder and smooth double-action trigger, the King Cobra offers fast and accurate follow-up shots, giving you the confidence and control you need in a defensive situation. Starting at around $900 for the basic model and reaching upwards of $1,200 for the high-end models, the King Cobra perfectly blends classic revolver design and modern self-defense features. For a bonus tip, consider your specific needs and preferences before purchasing. Do you want a lightweight, compact revolver for concealed carry, or do you prefer a heavier, more powerful revolver for home defense? Do you like the classic look and feel of a traditional revolver or the modern design and features of a tactical revolver? Considering these factors, you can make an informed decision that will serve you well. Next up on our list is the Ruger Red Hawk, a robust and reliable revolver that's built like a tank. The Red Hawk is chambered in a range of powerful calibers from the .44 Magnum to the .45 Colt, making it an ideal choice for those who need a handgun that can deliver serious stopping power. With a reputation for rugged durability and excellent accuracy, the Red Hawk is a favorite among hunters, law enforcement officers, and competitive shooters. The Ruger Red Hawk is a revolver designed for heavy-duty use, and it shows in its construction. From its solid stainless steel frame to its cushioned grip, the Red Hawk is built to withstand the punishing recoil of high-powered ammunition while still delivering reliable accuracy and performance. Unlike other revolvers, the Red Hawk features a transfer bar safety mechanism that makes it safe to carry with all 6 chambers loaded, providing extra safety for those carrying their firearm for self-defense. The Ruger Red Hawk may be a robust and reliable revolver, but it comes with a price tag to match. Starting at around $1,000 for the basic 44 Magnum model and reaching upwards of $1,400 for the high-end models, the Red Hawk isn't a budget-friendly option. The Chiaa Rhino moves up to number 4 on our list. It's a unique and innovative revolver unlike anything else on the market. The Chiaa Rhino is known for its distinctive barrel-lowering design, which shifts the bore's axis to the bottom of the cylinder. This reduces muzzle rise and improves recoil management. But that's not all. The Chiaa Rhino also features an ergonomic grip and a smooth double-action trigger that makes it easy and comfortable to shoot, even for beginners. The Chiaa Rhino's unique design reduces recoil and offers several other advantages, making it an excellent self-defense choice. For one, the low bore axis redirects the recoil straight back into your hand, reducing the amount of muzzle flip and making it easier to stay on target. With the choice of 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch barrel lengths, the Chiaa Rhino is a versatile handgun that can be customized to suit your needs. One of the most interesting features of the Chiaa Rhino is its hexagonal cylinder, which holds 6 rounds of ammunition. This unique design provides extra strength and rigidity to the cylinder, making it less likely to suffer from wear and tear over time. The Chiaa Rhino is a premium choice, starting at around $700 for the basic 2-inch model and reaching upwards of $1,200 for the high-end 6-inch model. So what do you say about giving us a thumbs up on this video? It helps us know if you enjoy the video and create better content for you going forward. Thanks a lot, and let's continue on. Moving on to number 5 is the Taurus 856, a powerful budget-friendly revolver. With its modern tactical design and 6-round capacity, the Taurus 856 is a solid choice for first-time buyers looking for an affordable, reliable handgun. The Taurus 856 is more than just a bargain bin special. This revolver is built with a durable stainless steel frame and a smooth trigger, making it easy to shoot accurately and consistently. Its compact size makes it ideal for concealed carry and home defense. The Taurus 856 may be budget-friendly, but doesn't skimp on features. The ergonomic grip and low-profile hammer make it comfortable to hold and easy to draw from concealment, while the fixed sights are quick to acquire and easy to use in low-light conditions. It also has a double-action-only trigger mechanism. This feature ensures that every shot is fired with the same force, making the Taurus 856 a reliable and consistent choice for self-defense. Starting at around $300, it's one of the most affordable tactical revolvers on the market today. This makes it ideal for first-time buyers who may want to avoid spending a fortune on their first handgun. Finally, a tactical revolver chambered in 9mm Luger, the Taurus 905 is built on the Taurus Zero Tolerance standard. This means that every part of it, from its design, fit, and fabrication, is made to perform optimally and deliver adequately. It's made of premium stainless steel material, and with other dimensions that make it suitable for concealed carry, the Taurus 905 weighs 21 ounces unloaded. Its 2-inch barrel length and overall compact size allows for seamless concealed carry. The Taurus 905 utilizes the Taurus stellar clips for easy reloading and the Taurus security system for safety. The trigger pull is heavy but smooth, and its weight gives it stability. It's optics ready and holds the standard 5 rounds. At about $439, the Taurus 905 packs a punch, and it's one of the best revolvers you can own. For accuracy, reliability, and performance, you can count on the Taurus 905 to do a clean job. And with that, we've reached the end of our top 6 tactical revolvers for first-time buyers. From the budget-friendly Taurus 856 to the premium Colt King Cobra, there's a revolver on this list for every budget and performance. We hope this video has been helpful and informative, and we look forward to sharing more content just like this in the future. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment with your thoughts and opinions on these revolvers. Thanks for watching, and do stay safe out there.